In this video, I will guide you on how to sell unstoppable domain name on Opensea. So first of all, we go to the Opensea website and click the wallet icon. Then I select Metamask. Obviously, to list on sale, we can only if we already have some NFTs on the wallet. So I click Profile and scroll down to see my precious Nifties. I have a few. I would select the name that works on unstoppable domains. Here we can see all the information about the domain name, but I'm heading to the sell button. So I enter the fair price for this amazing name and set the duration of the offer. Alright, I'm ready to complete the listing. First of all, I need to approve the permission for the collection. Remember that unstoppable domains work on Polygon, so you need some Matic on your wallet to cover the gas fees. I see that the network is busy at the moment, so I set the high priority status for the transaction. Save it and click Confirm. Then I need to confirm the currency. Click Sign. And the final step is to confirm the listing. Scrolling down and click Sign again. Here we go, my item has been listed. It would be hard for me to let him go, but it's a fair price. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So that's all for now. See you on Web3. Bye.